Do you have a dog or know a dog? How old is it? People often describe a dog's age in dog years, which are a way of saying how old they would be if they were human. The old formula was that every year of a dog's life is equal to 7 years of a human's life. So a dog who was born a year ago would be 7 years old in dog years, and a dog who was born 2 years ago would be 14 years old in dog years. But now there's a more complicated and also more accurate system for calculating dog years. The first year of a dog's life is equal to 15 years of a human's life. The second year equals 9 human years. And each year after that is equal to 4 or 5 human years. So, a dog who was born a year ago is a teenager, 15 dog years. A dog who was born 2 years ago is a grown-up, 24 dog years. And a dog who was born 3 years ago is 28 or 29 in dog years. These numbers can also be adjusted depending on the breed of the dog. Bigger dogs may age faster than littler dogs after they mature. In humans, age can also be kind of complicated. For example, there are some 10-year-olds who are very mature and may seem like a 12-year-old. There are also some 10-year-olds who act like 6-year-olds. Listen to hear about how age relates to friendship.
Kids Ask Dr. Friendtastic!
Hi there, I'm Dr. Eileen Kennedy Moore, also known as Dr. Friendtastic. I'm an author and clinical psychologist based in Princeton, New Jersey. Each week on the Kids Ask Dr. Friendtastic podcast, I answer a question from a kid about making and keeping friends. If you have a question you'd like me to answer, you can send it in at drfriendtastic.com/submit. That's drfriendtastic.com/submit. Let's listen to today's question.
My name's Oliver, and I'm 11 years old, and my question about friendship, if it's still good to have a friendship even if you're in different grades than of each other.
Hi, Oliver. Thanks for sending in your question. Often, kids have friends who are the same grade or age as they are. That makes sense because they may spend more time together or they may have more in common. But let's back up a moment and think about what we mean by friendship. Friendship is about mutual caring. You like them and they like you. Friends spend time together and enjoy each other's company. Friends can trust each other and count on each other for support. No one is perfect, so every friendship has rough spots. There will be mistakes and misunderstandings. Friends might feel hurt or jealous or angry with each other. But good friends will figure out ways to get past those rough spots by explaining or listening or compromising or forgiving each other and trying again. Wow, that's a lot about friendship. But you know what I didn't mention? Age or grade in school. Because if the caring and the fun and the trust and support and handling rough spots are all there, nothing else matters. Not age or race or religion or family background. Kindness is the key to friendship. If you feel good when you spend time with your friends in different grades, and they feel good when they spend time with you, those sound like great friendships. Go ahead and enjoy them. This has been Kids Ask Dr. Friendtastic. You can learn even more about friendship through my funny and practical books for kids. Growing Friendships, a kid's guide to making and keeping friends, and Growing Feelings, a kid's guide to dealing with emotions about friends and other kids. They're available through your library or wherever you buy books. Parents, check out my online workshops for kids at workshops.eileenkennedymore.com.